Welcome to all. This time we will bring you here on this online classes, and in chapter 2nd of 9th standard, Sound of Music. This is the second part of the chapter. First part already we have discussed. In this second part, Bismillah Khan. This chapter all about a Sahnai player. The Sahnai player we will talk about here, he is not an ordinary Sahnai player. He is the one who got Bharat Ratna award as a Sahnai player. It is ever held in this world that a Sahnai player won the award, Bharat Ratna. It is impossible to think. A Sahnai player, a greatest Sahnai player who won, he was the awardee of Sahnai player as a Bharat Ratna awardee. So we will take this chapter in three portions. First, childhood, middle age, Sahnai player Bismillah Khan, and then last in the end. Beginning of the chapter. This chapter starts with Sahnai player Bismillah Khan. As a child, his all Sahnai playing or all training actually held in maternal uncle's home, at maternal house. He learnt a lot from his maternal uncle, Ali Baks, and his brother. At a very beginning age, like 9-year-old, just 9-year-old he was, and he started his training as a Sahnai player. So Bismillah Khan loved a lot, and he actually started playing Sahnai at the bank of Ganga river, and then he reached, always used to go to Bihari temple. He got there a laddu. He found of laddu, 1.25 kg. A laddu he loved a lot. That's why he reached there at temple, and he enjoyed a lot. And very soon he started taking classes, and then he became a good player of Sahnai. He in age, like he was youngest Sahnai player, and then after some time he got a good chance to play Sahnai through radio. His telecast also started there as a radio. In the radio he got a good chance to play Sahnai, and then very soon he learnt that Sahnai started giving him a great name and fame. And in the movie Shahnai, he played he gave music in that movie, in the song Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. It was a fabulous and a very good track at that time, and a very nice track. He got fame and name over there. But after some time he realizes that the movies or films, actually these all are the pomp show and these are show off. And he realized the realistic life. So Bismillah Khan hated to do films, or he refused. He did not go in movie or films to give music or giving the composition. He stopped giving. And then he got good name or fame, and then he started his career as a Sahnai player. And once he got a chance to play Sahnai, when India got freedom, in Indian Parliament in New Delhi, he played in presence of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. At that time he played Sahnai. And a student of his he wanted to start a academy of music in US, and he approached to Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan refused to go there, US. He put only two conditions. That first one, that you bring Ganga there. And it was impossible. He loved Ganga a lot. Bismillah Khan loved Ganga and he refused. I will not go to US. And he loved a lot his village, his district, Varanasi, he loved a lot. And anywhere, wherever he used to go and give concert, he always missed his own native land, Ganga River. So he loved a lot the nation also. So he refused to go US as a head of music academy. And beside that, he loved, and he shows that for country and for country people. I love country and I will be in the country only. I will serve for country only. So Bismillah Khan refused that offer also. So in this manner we can say he loved a lot the country and he became the greatest player ever, Sehnai player in India. So this is called that best example that a trivial thing like playing Sehnai, no one can think that somebody will reach at the top. So this is all about Bismillah Khan, and 2 questions I am giving you. First one, define or we can say describe that how Bismillah Khan love India or country or nation. First question. Second question, why did Bismillah Khan refuse to do movie or film or composition in films? So these 2 questions I am giving you. Stay at your home, be free, be safe, and always learn good lessons and give positive food to your brain. That is called books, book reading or other things. So stay positive, stay safe. Thank you.